you will enjoy and make this more interactive for the dais or representing the voice of the students from various best benefit out of the entire proceedings. She is an associate director, branding and communications sectors, spanning recruitment, business partnering, talent management, branding and leadership development. She has worked with us.
Then put it in your pocket and go, it has more shine and all that. So that's what is first attractive.
Welcome to these two first Students Convention organized by EWIT. EWIT stands for Empowering Women in IT. It's a professional IT forum where we help women who are working in the ITES industry or students who are studying and pursuing with an idea to pursue a career in IT and ITES industry. We help them to cope up with the industry's requirements and how they can excel in the industry, importantly so that they don't fall off the industry, they don't fall off the career path after 3 to 5 years, because that is what is happening. It's a forum. We feel that IT and ITES industries are very well suited for women to excel, and they should not fall off in between. So that's the objective of EWIT, and we feel that we should start from the college level itself so that we can prepare the students better. This is our first EWIT student convention. Hopefully we will continue to have it year on year, but EWIT by itself is on its 7th year now. We have a regional chapter in Trivandrum called EWIT Trivandrum in Technopark, where there are women from the Technopark or members of EWIT in Trivandrum. Right now it's only in Chennai.